Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to use the PubMed database to find the 3 original peer-reviewed research articles for my topic. So my topic is still on sports psychology. I already pulled up the PubMed website. From here, I'll just look up sports psychology as that's my research topic. Once I search it, these are all the links. Brought to me by the PubMed.gov website, which is also the National Library of Medicine. From here, I would just find any website. I would find any research article and read it to find my data.